Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to our English class. Today we are going to learn session number 2 of module 10. Alright, and in today's session we will be studying joining words. What are we going to study in today's session? We are going to study joining words. Alright, so my dear students, do you know whenever we break the things, right? And if we want to join them, suppose this is a chalk and if we break it, alright, now the chalk is broken, and if we want to join it again, what are we going to do? We will use glue to join it, right? We will use glue, Fevistick, Fevicol, alright? We will use these things to join. Now whenever anything is break, we are using Fevicol or glue or Fevistick to join them, right? But what do we do to join the words and sentences? So whenever we have to join the words or sentences, what we do? We use joining words. Okay? So there are different kinds of joining words. But the most commonly used joining words are and or. Okay, and these words we are going to study here today. Alright, so let us see. Joining words are used to join two words or two sentences. Two common joining words are and or. Okay, so as I told you right now that joining words, join the words means join two words together, or they also join the two sentences. Okay, and the two most commonly used joining words are and or. Alright, so which are the two most commonly used joining words? They are and or. Alright, so first of all we will see the use of joining word and. We will see the use of joining word and. Now when do we use this word joining word and? Let us see. We use and to join the words or sentences that are related to each other. Now whenever we have to join the words or sentences that are related to each other, means we have to talk about both words or both the sentences, or that words and sentences are related. That time we use the joining word and. Okay, what do we use? We use the joining word and. Now for example, if I want to buy two markers, alright, a red marker and a black marker. So how am I supposed to talk? If I want both the markers, I say the shopkeeper that I want a red marker and a black marker. I will not say or. I won't say a red marker or black marker. If I want both the markers, then I say I want a red marker and a black marker. Okay. So if you want markers as well as the book, so what are you going to say? I want the markers and the book. Okay. Markers and book. Understood? So when we have to join the two words, that time we use the word and. If you want to join sentences, that time also we can use the word and. What is and? And is a joining word. Always remember that. So for example, I have given here Rohit has a dog. Rohit has a cat. Now Rohit has a dog as well as the cat. Means he also has a dog and a cat, right? But over here in the first sentence, what have we done? We have written the sentences separately, right? I have written Rohit has a dog separately and Rohit has a cat separately. But we can mention this thing in a single sentence, right? What we have to do? We have to use the joining word and. Now, this is the way how we are going to write the next sentence. This is the way how we are going to join it. Alright. So Rohit has a dog and a cat. Now here we have used the joining word and. What have we used? We have used the joining word and. So Rohit has a dog and a cat. We don't have to mention it separately. We can mention it together using the word and. Understood? So whenever we have to talk about the two things, two sentences at a time. Alright, if you want to talk about both the things. And if that words or sentences are related to each other, that time we have to use the joining word and. Alright. For example, if your mom will ask you that, do you want a chocolate or an ice cream? What will you say? You will say, I want both. I want chocolate and ice cream. Right? And if your mom says you that you want a flower or a bouquet of flowers, right? Then also you will say that I want both the things. I want a flower and a bouquet of flowers. Right? So this is the examples. Now my dear children, let us see the next joining word. So which is the next joining word? Or. Now we have seen the joining word and now we are going to see joining word or. Now when do we use or? Let us see. When we have to show a choice between two things, we use or to join them. Now if you want to show a choice, alright, if you want to show a choice, like if you are going to a shop, okay, and your friend is also along with you, and the shopkeeper has only 2 markers, and your friend wants 1. So obviously you have to make a choice between the 2 markers, right? So that you can give 1 marker to your friend, okay? So what can you say? That means you can ask your friend that do you want a red marker or a black marker? Okay? So if you ask your friend, then he or she will make a choice between these 2 markers. Means she will not take both. Only 1. Means you have to choose between the 2 things. That time you have to use the joining word or. Now suppose if your mother is asking you that do you want a chocolate or an ice cream? Obviously everyone will say I want both. But now your mother will keep choice in front of you. That I am not going to give you both the things. You just have to choose one. So what will you do? You have to make a choice between a chocolate or an ice cream. So you can say I want an ice cream or I want a chocolate. Okay? So there you can make a choice. Understood my dear children? Now let us see the examples. You can use a pen. You can use a pencil. Now here I have written 2 sentences separately. That you can use a pen or you can use a pencil. Okay? But this can be written together. Now you have to make a choice between a pen and a pencil. You can use only one thing at a time. Okay? Either you can use pen or pencil. So what you have to use? You have to use the joining word or. You can use a pen or a pencil. Understood? So we use joining words to join 2 words or 2 sentences. But the difference is that we use and when 2 things, 2 words or 2 sentences are related to each other. Okay? And we have to take both of them together and talk. But we use or when we have to make a choice between the 2 things. Okay? So I have written some examples here. Okay? Now you have to add a joining word. Now here is the sun, moon. So what we have to do? You just have to add sun and moon. I have drawn two pictures. So, sun and moon, tree and flower. Now, these things are related. Okay. Now, here in this pictures, you can make a choice. Okay. Why we are using or? Now, here you can tick mark the picture which you want. Okay. So, do you want a cup or a glass? You have to tick mark. Now, suppose I want to make a choice between this. So, I choose a cup. So, I will take it. Okay. Cup or glass. So, I have choose cup. Now, girl or boy. So, I have choose girl. Okay, my dear children. So, these are some pictures. So now what you have to do is, you have to solve exercises. Now as you can see in exercise 3.1, you have to use and. Means see, first one is done for you. A dog and a cat. So here is a picture of dog and a cat. Now you have to identify the next picture and write using and. In exercise 3.2, you just have to read and follow this. One is done for you. Now, take the bulb and the sun. Now here, and is used, and here, what you have to do according to the instructions given, you have to tick mark. If it is mentioned or, then you can tick only one. And if it is mentioned and, then tick mark both. Now, in exercise 3.2, you have to join the words and make simple sentences. Alright. And after that, in exercise 3.4, you have to join the words and rewrite the sentences again. Okay, and write it correctly. Understood, my dear children? So, in today's session, we have studied the joining words. Alright? With joining words and or. So, I hope you have understood today's session. If you have any queries or any doubts related to today's session, you can contact me. Alright? Thank you so much.